Let's learn amusement park rides. Pirate ship ride. Bumper car. Train ride. Swing ride. Spinning teacups. Ferris wheel. Merry-go-round. Log flume splash. Flying Dumbo ride. Did you enjoy the adventure? Please click like and subscribe to join us on our next journey to never miss the fun. Download our app by scanning the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description box below. See you next time.